विधानसभा अधिवेशनाचो काळ उणो केल्ल्यान विरोधी आमदारांनी सरकाराचो खर निषेध केलो। या अधिवेशनात गोयच्या हिताच्या साबार प्रश्नांचेर चर्चा करपाची आशिल्ल्यान अधिवेशनाचो कालावधी वाडोवन दिवपाची मागणी तांणी केल्या। उपप्रश्न विचारपा खातीर जी मर्यादा घाल्या ती काडून उडोवची अशें तांचें म्हणणें।
See, all the opposition MLAs, we raised our voices and condemned the session 5 disa halle. On 24th of February, there was a notification summoning the session of the from 27 to 31st, 5 days. So this was then curtailed simultaneously to 4 days. On 3rd of March, there was another notification. So we condemned this. We put our we told the Honorable Speaker that this is in bad precedence. We told that there are several issues that are pertaining to Goa and Goa's interest, and we asked him to extend the session to the next week. Dusra, we pointed out that on the 27th there are 19 departments, on the 28th there are 14 departments, on the 29th there are 16 departments, and on the 31st there are 13 departments. So these restrictions basically don't allow us to cover all the departments on that particular day. We also demanded that the sub-question, the limitation that these people have put on us of asking only 5 sub-questions, that should be increased to either 7 or 10.
मुख्यमंत्र्याक 83% सपोर्ट आसून पसून ताका सेशन घेवपाचें ना, सो ताका लोकांक फेस करपाचें ना, हें सिद्ध जाता। कशें सिद्ध जाता? सदांच तो कितें तरी सांगता आनी मागीर कॅट करता। लास्ट केस इज 5 दीस म्हणून सेशन सांगलें, मागीर रामनम आयली। रामनम येतकर हांवें थंय डिमांड केलो की रामनम पब्लीक हॉलिडे करची म्हणून। दुसरे सगळे देशभर रामनम एक पब्लीक हॉलिडे आहा। बीजेपी म्हणटा तो पक्ष राम मंदिर बांदपाचें उलोवन रुलींग पार्टी जाली देशान आनी गोंयांत पसून। आतां त्या रामा खातीर रामनम ती पब्लीक हॉलिडे करपाक सरकार तयार ना, कित्याक आमी डिमांड करता। फुडल्या वर्सा पळोवया म्हणटा राम, फुडल्या वर्सा पळोवया हें मुखेलमंत्र्यान आमकां BSN सांगलां।